stop yourself from doing something. I think it's just falling for mine. You better stop when I say his name. But I'm saying it out. He ain't nothing special. He ain't nothing special. And when he's talking out, we're going mental. He ain't nothing special. He ain't nothing special. I wish that the guy would leave. My house is getting annoying right now. Annoying right now. Annoying right now. La la. New thousand sights, no one. Boy is making me feel like I should just leave town. Get out, change my name of hair and leave forever. I don't know what to do now. He's making